Guys, welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. Today I'm going to be making a very simple meal for dinner. Stir-fry prawns with spaghetti. These are all the things I'm going to be using. This is my onion and the prawns. You can use the jumbo prawns if you have it. And this is my red, green and yellow bell pepper, scallop bonnet pepper, spring onions, and I'm going to be adding a little broccoli. And these are the seasoning I'm going to be using: curry, garlic powder, ginger powder, Maggi, salt. I normally use garlic powder because I'm not a fan of garlic. Let's get started, guys. Just add a little oil. So that the oil is hot. Start to mint. I'm going to add my spring onion, scallop bonnet pepper and the red, green, yellow bell pepper. You have to be on your toe. Doing this, you really have to be on your toe so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm going to add my stir-fry prawns to it. Now I will be adding my salt, the garlic powder, ginger powder, and curry. Then the Maggi. I'm going to leave this to simmer for like 5 minutes, then I set aside and start on my spaghetti. I'm going to invite my spaghetti. This is it. The aroma is superb. Hello guys, this is the result of my stir-fry prawns with spaghetti, looking so yummy and so beautiful. I'm serving this for dinner. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, feel free to leave your comments below and hit the notification bell for you to know when I upload new videos. I appreciate you all, my subscribers. Without you, I cannot continue this. Thank you all. Thank you guys. I see you all in my next video. Bye.